Hello everyone, and welcome to another It Just Fits YouTube premiere. My name is Patty Sigala, Senior Developer of Salesforce Education and Tools, and I'm so excited that you're watching. Today, you'll hear from two amazing independent Salesforce leaders who will share their Mary Kay journeys and why they love their Mary Kay businesses. Let's hear from our first guest. She is Independent Senior Sales Director, Robin Marshall.
Hi, my name is Robin Marshall, and I've been building my Mary Kay business for over 14 years. I'm married to my high school sweetheart, and we have 3 beautiful daughters. We're involved in our local church, and my husband is a firefighter paramedic, so we live some crazy hours around here. The legacy that Mary Kay Ash began in 1963 of people and love, not profit and loss, resonates in my heart so much. And that was one of the reasons that I said yes to this opportunity. I live the Mary Kay values in my home, and I want to raise my daughters with emotional intelligence and spiritual maturity to walk confidently, yet humbly to serve others. I feel like we live in a world where limiting beliefs and negative self-talk hold us back from being all that we're called to be. That's where I've been before. Some women don't feel like they have the confidence or the freedom to chase after their God-given dreams. And that's where I was in 2008, stuck. I was a corporate woman praying for an opportunity for some extra income, but I really didn't want to go back to waitressing on the side. Mary Kay found me when I wore foot cream on my face. Yeah, foot cream. I grew up on a 320-acre cattle farm, and I washed my face with rubbing alcohol and then slathered foot cream all over it. I just downright didn't know what to do. So when my new girlfriend asked me to enjoy some pampering as her guest one September Monday night, I said, sure, why not? And that's when I fell in love with the products, the sisterhood, the opportunity to move along the career path, and the opportunity that was only limited by my own belief and my hard work. And as a surefire hot button for me in that season of life, the potential to earn 50% on everything I sold at suggested retail price. I mean, after all, Mary Kay has always been considered the gold standard in the direct selling industry and is sold around the world. Plus, the Pink Doing Green initiative is Mary Kay's promise to create and maintain a sustainable business practices. Their zero landfill commitment was something that I really valued, especially with my childhood farming background. I wanted to know that Mary Kay was a company that I could trust. And what I found was that it's a company of integrity, one with a heart, with their customers in mind. So I figured that something, just something, had to be right with it. During my first 4 years, I worked my business through challenging seasons of life, and I learned how to balance things with grace and love. My Mary Kay girlfriends never once left my side when my daughter was born 11 weeks early, weighing just 1 pound, 7.9 ounces. In the months and years that followed of ups and downs of her health, I always had the love and support of my Mary Kay besties and the understanding of my customers. Now, my daughter is a healthy and strong 12-year-old who knows how to perfectly apply her mascara. And her 7-year-old sister can put on a mean, powerful lipstick with just one swipe too. I'm beyond thankful for the flexibility to get my girls off the bus in the afternoons and help with their school activities. I have my toddler home a few times a week, time that I would otherwise be missing out on. My Mary Kay business has given me choices on how I spend my precious minutes with my priorities in line. God first, family second, and then career third. My life would look a lot different now if I hadn't said yes to this opportunity 14 years ago. I deeply value the freedom to time chunk my day and align it with what I feel like I've been called to do within ministry, my family, and then how I serve both my customers and my team of independent beauty consultants. My husband works 24-hour shifts, so I must have flexibility in our schedule for our girls. But one of the best parts is that I have gained true, lifelong friendships with my Mary Kay sisters. And I don't mean just the fluff, surface kind of girlfriends. I mean the real, the raw, the do life with you in the messy kind of girlfriends. I didn't have to be a certain type of person to do this business. I just had to be me. Now, my senior national sales director, Tate, lives just 3 minutes from me. I am so blessed. We are cherished friends and trusted prayer warriors. Even among those messy lifetimes, she always believed in me and had vision when I couldn't see things for myself. She and my other Mary Kay girlfriends have cried with me, prayed for me, and even enjoyed some of my famous sausage gravy in my own kitchen on occasion. They stretch me to believe bigger, work smarter, and love deeper. We're all family, and I truly don't know what I would do without them. At my core, my faith has always guided me, but the experiences in my Mary Kay business have helped shape and develop me into the confident woman and servant leader that I am today. And let's not forget about those amazing products that Mary Kay has to offer. Having a Mary Kay business lets you sell products that you can believe in and that your customers are sure to love. From skincare, body care, color cosmetics, and beauty tools, there is something for everyone to love. Even someone who wore foot cream on her face. I love the high standards that the company sets for its products. They are truly made with the highest quality ingredients and are extensively researched. And you'll find products that deliver real results that are right for you and your customers. Once you try it, there's no denying that these products are some of the best. And better yet, they can be delivered right to your door. Who doesn't love that? So, if you're ever around Bedford, Virginia, in the Blue Ridge Mountains, you might just see me cheering on my girls at the YMCA pool in leggings, a t-shirt, a cardigan, with a swipe of mascara and some lip gloss. Because that's it. That's just me.
Thank you so much, Robin, for sharing your story and how Mary Kay just fits into your life. And I'm so glad you talked about the amazing products that Mary Kay has to offer because we have something exciting happening next week. That's right, Mary Kay is launching new products that you don't want to miss out on. So be sure to reach out to your independent beauty consultant for all the details. Now it's time to hear from our next speaker, the amazing independent senior national sales director, Lynnea Tate.
Hello, I am Lynnea Tate, and I am so excited to share with you a little bit about my Mary Kay journey. This opportunity has provided my husband and I so much flexibility over the years while raising our 4 children. In 2002, we had just relocated to a new state, and I had recently come home from teaching to raise our 2-year-old son and baby girl that was on the way. When I signed my independent beauty consultant agreement in June 2003, I had told my beauty consultant for over a year I wouldn't be interested in selling Mary Kay. Let's rewind a little. My beauty consultant was one of my first friends I met in our new location in Virginia. She was a single mom of 2 children around the same ages as ours, and she brought me some samples to church to try for my sensitive skin, which easily broke out. She was funny and confident, and I enjoyed being around her. I fell in love with the samples, and I began to add to my Mary Kay collection on a very limited budget. My husband began to notice a difference in my skin, so I was very happy with the real results I was getting from my skincare. Some of my favorite products are our Time-Wise anti-aging products. Trust me, real results. Secondly, I enjoyed the sisterhood that I experienced whenever I went to Mary Kay events with my beauty consultant, and I genuinely had fun. I would hear about the opportunity, but didn't think it was for me. However, I was praying for a bridge into women's lives, and we definitely needed extra income. The opportunity to earn up to 50% profit on everything I sold at suggested retail really spoke to me at that time. My husband was the only one working as a youth pastor at the time. I attended my senior national sales director, Dawn Dunn's debut with my friend just to watch her go across the stage in her Mary Kay red jacket, which showed that she was moving along the career path. I saw all the beauty consultants having fun and being celebrated. I heard women share their journeys, And I was inspired, and not long after this event, I decided to give Mary Kay a try. You see, the products had changed my skin, but I had no idea how the opportunity would impact our lives. I had read about our founder and her values of keeping God first, family second, and career third. I loved the go-get principle that our company was founded upon. I was drawn to our culture and loved the rewards that could come with it. There were times where I would hit roadblocks and obstacles, but at Mary Kay, we always say, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I always had mentors to reach up to for guidance and support. This has helped shape who I am as a woman today, almost 20 years later. I like to ask women, who is currently helping to shape you into who you will become in the future? Mary Kay Ash said, don't let the negatives of life control you. Rise above them. Use them as your stepping stones to go higher than you ever dreamed possible. You just heard from Senior Sales Director Robin Marshall as she shared her story. I remember her as a brand new beauty consultant in my unit beginning her business. It has brought my heart so much joy to see women just like her be able to work their Mary Kay business with flexibility and freedom, just like I had the opportunity throughout my journey. After all, Mary Kay asked us to pass it on. In closing, I want you to answer this quick question and write down your answer. I want you to pick either A, B, or C. Could this opportunity fit into your life? A means absolutely, I am interested, and with some help, I'm willing to try. B means book me for a second appointment. I have questions and I would love to talk more. C means could be for me down the road. Until then, I'd love to be your customer. If you are all in and want to start a Mary Kay business right now, Mary Kay has flexible startup options that fit your needs. You can choose the Mary Kay Starter Kit or start your Mary Kay business digitally with the Mary Kay eStart. And you have the option to add a powerful sample pack. The choice is yours. If you want to learn more about these options, click the link in the description below. If you think Mary Kay is for you, please reach out to your independent beauty consultant who invited you here today for more information, and click the links below to learn more about the Mary Kay opportunity. Thank you all so much for watching. Goodbye.